Welcome to Apply Design. We're going to go over the whole app to make sure that you have all the information you need in order to create stunning virtual staging on your own. The first step is to upload the image you'd like to stage. To do this, you must own Apply coins. 1 coin is exchangeable for 1 image upload, and 1 uploaded image can then be designed with endless revisions. You can easily get Apply coins for $10 a coin by clicking the purchase button. To upload an image for staging, you can either drag and drop the image or browse for it. First, you have to create a new location or select an existing one. This will help you organize your designs later on. It's recommended to use the address of the property as the title. Then, pick a specific title for the current image. Once you're happy with your choice, click the Upload button. An image usually takes between 2 to 10 minutes to process. You can track the image's progress in the Progress tab. Once the image is done processing, you'll get a notification in the app and in your email. Then, once you're ready to design your image, click Edit. The editor is composed out of 3 sections: the viewer, the toolbar, and the gallery. To start staging, let's add a furniture item from the gallery. You can either browse items by ready-made bundles, by furniture that's already been used in this location, or simply by category. Let's browse by category for now. Once you've picked an item, add it to the image. You can either click and drag it to the image, or click it once, then click Add. The latter method will also enable you to roughly see how the item will look in the final rendered result. Moving furniture around is simple. Move it by clicking and dragging. Rotate it by right-clicking and moving your cursor. You can also select the item, which will open the furniture page in the gallery. This will allow you to fine-tune the item's position and rotation angle. While the object is selected, you can also delete it by clicking it and then pressing the Remove button. Another important tool is the Room Scale button. Adjust the scale to get the right proportions between the furniture and the surroundings. Changing the room scale later in the design can sometimes lead to unexpected results. So if the furniture seems too small or too large, it's recommended to use the room scale early on. But don't worry, you can always undo your changes. And a written guide is always available in the Help button. Once you're finished designing, press Render to get a realistic result. You can do this for free as many times as you'd like. You can make endless revisions. Rendering can take between 5 to 20 minutes depending on your render settings. Once the app is done rendering, you will again get a notification in the app and in your email. In the Locations tab, you can browse the images you've uploaded, sorted by the locations you've specified. You can re-edit any image, view every rendered result, download it, and even get the furniture layer alone if you need it. Thanks for joining Apply Design. You can always contact us at info@applydesign.io. We hope you have a great time using our app.